Hi there, Troy Thompson, Pinnacle Insurance Agency in Minnesota. A lot of people ask me what full coverage is. Well, that's a tricky question because it involves a lot of parts of an auto insurance policy. It's your liability, of course, your uninsured, underinsured, your PIP or medical payments, comprehensive deductible, having a comprehensive coverage, and collision deductible and collision coverage. We have rental reimbursement and towing. So there are actually 7 parts, meaning it could be complicated. If somebody says they don't want rental reimbursement, for example, do they truly have full coverage? And then we're not even talking about high liability limits and uninsured, underinsured, which we recommend, and even stacking your PIP. If you want to know more about this and get advice from the best insurance agency in the state of Minnesota with the most Google reviews, watch this video now.
Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody.
Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 5-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 5-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota.